Good morning from Hilo, Hawaii. Today's May 20th, 2025. We are currently at the Rainbow Falls Lookout in Hilo, Hawaii. Look how pretty. I love how it's handicap accessible too. As someone with two grandparents that have used wheelchairs, I always look for ADA accessibility. So this is nice. We're now walking up some steps. I think it's a better angle of the waterfall, maybe? Oh my god. That does look like a snake. I am way out of shape for this. This is my daily reminder that I need to move more. Gabby's already up there. It's so peaceful here and pretty. We're walking back down the stairs. We're now going to check out the Tiki Turtle Cafe. We are now at the Kaūmana Caves. I don't know if I pronounced that right. My pronunciation's probably horrible. Closed-toed, sturdy shoes.
And like go as far back as you like and keep going. Cool.
Thank you.
So pretty.
I know I can feel the right here is good. That's a little bit flat. Is that what people go in, or are they going over there?
Holy crap. The dripping water. This is so pretty, it looks fake.
I know. Alright, I'll move someone. Okay, we're in the caves. I'm high-key so scared right now. This looks scary. I don't like the dark. And we're not good tourists, so I have my phone flashlight. I don't have a legit flashlight. Ew, that's so scary. I'm kind of scared. It's just black. This is a cool view.
Take a picture of us.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna start heading back.
Wait, don't leave me.
disposable here.
Disposable will eat here. That's really pretty. Look at that.
Wow. Hi. Can you take a disposable?
Yeah.
Up. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Do you want a disposable, Mom?
Nope.
So beautiful.
Okay, we're in the caves. You can't really tell what's happening. I fell already. This is a little bench. Man-made bench. Why is my phone flashlight brightness so low? So bad. Oh my god. We're now at the boiling pots. No nudity and no fireworks. Here are the boiling pots. So beautiful. It's getting sunny again. The weather here is very cloudy, sunny, cloudy, sunny. We're gonna now try, it's called Poke Market. Is it Poke? Poke Market? We're gonna try it. Okay, we got the poke bowls. This is the spicy tuna one. Okay. Flashbacks. Okay, we are at Akaka Falls.
Do you want to change shoes, Gabby?
There are.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. There are stairs. Left. This way. I guess. I hear the cookies.
These steps are nice though.
Yeah,
They're
nice steps. Pretty. Here's a little bridge. How pretty!
Yeah. Did you take the gummy vitamin?
Imagine just jumping in this water. That would feel so good. Yeah, this does remind me of Costa Rica. Very green, very lush.
So pretty.
Mm-hmm.
That almost looks like bamboo.
Yeah. We are now gonna get, it's called Kula Shave Ice. We just did the Akaka Falls and it was so hot. So we need some good ice.
Oh, they're like,
Look at the line.
that would be refreshing. That's why it's organic.
It's hot. Gabby got chocolate ice cream. So, but she's waiting in the car, so we're gonna go take a tour now. I'm like Uber, but for chocolate ice cream.
Are you guys coming?
Yeah, but they gave that first, so we went to give it before it melted. Ah! I'll be back.
If you guys are hanging around and you need more syrup, you always bring it on up.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Here's we got mango and pineapple with the, what was it called? The hualapi cream?
So look, it's just like that picture. Oh, he put a little, that one has.
We're approaching the cow cuddling. Cow cuddling! Let's go! We have arrived at the cow sanctuary. Cow cuddle cult?
I told you cold.
Cult.
Yeah. She's like,
Oh.
I scratch them as hard as I can.
Oh my gosh.
Even the babies. They have very, very, very thick skin. When they're laying down, you can sit with them. Big spoon, little spoon.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Hi. What a crazy name.
Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness. Hello. Oh my god, this is so cute. Hi. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop.
You guys just got here, but if you feel comfortable, you can sit next to cows that are laying down and not chewing. Like her, with your back against her, and she'd actually give you a hug. Like how these cows are curled up. Oh my god. Here we go, shoulder. And then the slower the scratch, the sleepier the cow. Maybe second chances today, huh?
Funny cow. Oh. Oh my goodness, do you like scratches? Oh my goodness.
It's warm. It feels like hot chocolate lolly.
There's a baby, hi baby. Oh, there's a baby. Oh my goodness, she's a little baby. Oh, so soft.
20 days old.
Oh, she's really soft. That little baby. Oh, that one's getting up.
This one. Oh, okay.
This one's.
This one's that's a cuddler.
Goodbye. Today we're at the Thurston lava tubes. I think we have to wipe our shoes.
Oh, I was trying to get
I can spray you, Mom. Or just.
got it.
Oh.
Okay.
Can someone spray my shoe? I know, I like this brush. To the lava tube. I'm sure someone has. Oh my. Wow. Okay, we are walking almost to the cave tube. We realized we could have parked closer. Instead, we did a hike, which is fine. We need it, but we could have parked closer. This is so pretty. If you want, we can. We're gonna get lost and separated.
How did we even get to that spot? I think we would have just kept driving.
Yeah, I think it probably just would have been like the next stop or two. I guess we could have tried to map it again and see. Do you need a break on the little bench?
No, I just am not walking as fast as you guys.
It's fine. We have arrived at the tube.
Tiki's trying to take a picture.
Oh, this is so crazy looking.
I have no story, so I'm planning on using.
You have Morgan?
I have no story.
Oh no.
This is much better.
One, two, three. Okay.
2, 3.
Lava tube, lava tube, lava tube.
My eyes don't need to adjust.
Can you do one on my phone? The flash.
1, 2, 3.
I just want 3 more.
Good lighting.
Yeah, I like the lighting a lot. Oh yeah, I did the same thing.
You okay?
Okay. We should turn our flashlights on.
Yeah.
Walking in the lava tube. Watching for puddles. It's getting better and squishier. Lots of puddles. Wrong day to wear white shoes. I feel like I'm Pirates of the Caribbean. The part where you go reaching the end of the lava tube. Walk up back. You want to just walk through it one more time?
I think so. Do you want to see what's up there?
Not really. I say we just turn around, no? Walk through it again.
Yeah.
We're currently at steam vents. We're still in the national park. There's one. I don't know if you can tell in the video. This one you could probably tell more. This hot steam that's coming from under the ground.
Do it here. We'll get the steam.
Yeah. And there's rain. It's cold. Walking to the beach. It's pretty cloudy out. Black sand.
Look at when it's wet.
It gets even darker. Ooh, it's cold. It's really cold water. Yeah, no. It's very cold water.
You gotta take a picture of this.
Oh, did I put it on backwards?
Yeah.
No, yours is backwards.
Mine's back.
Photos in the back.
Like I can't like put my arms all the way down.
I mean, as long as
John getting off the ramp, you guys can head down. And have fun.
Fall back, honey.
no. All right, we're going
Fall back.
into the darkness.
See, now you get out of the boat, you get in the water, and the rain stops. You just did it while you were standing there waiting for the boat. Yeah, okay.
Don't go behind the boat. Don't go behind the boat.
Everybody having a good time? Yeah! Alright, we're gonna push up your legs.
In the water with you, and tell the world how wonderful and beautiful and graceful these animals truly are. They're gentle giants out here. They couldn't hurt you if they wanted to. Now, if nobody had any fun and it was a lousy trip, you type these and probably been here since time began. There's something about this section of the reef right here that's conducive to plankton being there. Plankton are only going to go where there's food. And you know, as they started developing the hotel.
And I put mine in the bin.
Okay.
They are like mine, but I put mine in the bin. Oh, that was crazy.
Oh my God.
How do you feel?
Exhausted. That was exhausting.
That was exhausting. That took a lot of work.